wait. Now start.
Children, knowledge is not power. It is only potential. Applying that knowledge is power. Understanding why and when to apply that knowledge is wisdom. A very beautiful morning and a warm welcome to our Director of Academics, Academic in Charge, our Head of Curriculum Development and Training, Primary Coordinator, dear parents, teachers, and all my dear students. I, Mukti Dubey, on behalf of Rainbow International School, welcome you all to the most exciting event, that is our grade 3 and 4 EVS virtual quiz. Environment means nature and our surroundings. Environmental studies, that is EVS, plays an important role in giving birth to a new life, in the growth of a life, survival of the life, and the overall well being of any life on this planet. Environmental education helps us understanding how our decisions and actions affect the environment. It builds knowledge and skills necessary to address complex environmental issues, create awareness amongst us. On this note, I welcome you all to the final round of EVS virtual quiz. But before we begin, let's have a huge round of applause for all the finalists. Well done, children. Reaching till here is achievement in itself. So well done, children. So let's start. So let me first introduce the finalists for EVS quiz grade 3 and 4. So from Cygnus, we have Master Aryan Patnayak, Master Shlok Raj, Miss Havisha Dalal, Miss Chinmay Irande. And from Delphinus, we have Miss Kimaya Joshi, Master Puneet Singh Kalsi, Master Rishik Kumar, Master Viraj Gade. From Pegasus, we have Miss Adrika Divedi, Miss Naisha Soni, Miss Sanvi Suryavanshi, Master Shrinav Mishra. And from Phoenix, we have Master Ahan Parekh, Miss Arya Panchal, Master Shura Paraskar, Miss Anushri Ranjan. So best of luck, children. Best of luck to all the 4 teams.
Yeah,
okay, I'm sure you're going to rock this show, this event, right?
Excuse me, Mukti ma'am, just let me correct you. It's Master Arya Prachal, okay?
Arya Panchal.
Yeah, it's
Okay, I said Arya.
Arya is
Panchal.
fine. You are a boy, we know that, okay? Smile, Arya. Yes.
Okay. So all the best to all the participants here. And now without any delay, let's proceed with our EVS virtual quiz. I'm sure you all are excited. Aren't you? Yes.
Yes,
So all the best, children. Now instructions for each round will be given before it starts. So listen to all the instructions carefully. There will be 4 rounds, that is journal round, audio round, rebus round, and rapid fire round. So all of you all set for all the 4 rounds? Okay, let's start. So let me read out few journal instructions for your children. Each house will unmute themselves and will answer only when question is asked to that particular house. Remember, children, discipline is very important here. Okay, the team whom I ask question, only that particular team will unmute, decide on one answer, and before the time is up, try to answer. Okay, no extra time will be given after the completion of allotted time limit to answer. No extra time will be given after the completion of allotted time limit to answer a particular question. If 2 students will answer differently for same question from the same house, then they have to decide and give the final answer. Understood, children? No prompting is allowed. So we do not need your parents' help, right? This is your quiz. So don't ask your parents to prompt the answer. Yes? I'm sure you know all the answers and you are going to say it on your own. Don't take your parents' help. We don't need, right? This is your quiz. Otherwise, what will happen? Marks will be deducted. So we don't want this. Yes, do we? Yes, we want to add the marks, not to lose it. So we don't want any deduction here. Journal round, a few more instructions. Each team would be asked 4 questions. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. So even if you say any wrong answer, we won't give you any negative marking for the same. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Okay, it is for your team only. We will not forward to it to the next team. Understood? Answering time is only 30 seconds. Remember that. Try to answer within that time limit only, children. So, all set, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So let's start first with our Cygnus house. So may we have the question, ma'am? Yes. So first question for Cygnus house is, what is the result of Earth's rotation? And your options are phases of moon, B seasons, C day and night, or D gravitational pull. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, see day and night.
Still time is there, children, think.
Ma'am, day and night. Ma'am, day and night.
Ma'am, I
So
think
shall I lock it?
Children, yeah.
Day and night? Okay, the answer is correct. Day and night. Well done, children. Excellent. The start is good. Okay. Next question for Delphinus House. May we have the question, ma'am? Okay. So question for Delphinus House is, recycling of water on Earth is called as dash. Your options are A, motorcycle, B, water cycle, C, earth cycle, or D, life cycle. And your time starts now.
Water
Delphinus.
cycle. Water cycle. See
Ma'am,
water
water cycle.
cycle.
Are you
See
sure?
water cycle.
Still time is there. You can think.
See water cycle. Water cycle.
Okay, so shall we lock it for water cycle, Achal ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the answer is correct. Superb. Amazing, children. Next question for Pegasus. In deserts of Rajasthan, what is the traditional method of storing rainwater called? And your options are A, Tankas, B, Surangam, C, Eris, or D, Surai. So, and your time starts now. Come on, Pegasus. You can crack it. It's easy.
Ma'am, tankas.
Ma'am, 8 tankas.
Ma'am,
Still
8
30 seconds to
tankas.
go. You can think again.
Ma'am, 8 tankas.
Ma'am, 8
Sure?
tankas.
Shall I lock it?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is the right answer.
Well done, team. Well done.
Well done, children. Tankas is right. Correct answer. Superb. Let's move to our next house. That is Phoenix House. Phoenix House all set? Okay. What do we call molten rock when it is inside the earth? Your options are A, magma, B, volcano, C, lava, or D, crust. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, crust. Crust.
Ma'am, crust.
Still have time, children.
Crust.
When molten rock when it is inside the earth.
Ma'am, magma.
Think, come on, 10 seconds. Come to one question I want. One answer I want.
Ma'am, magma. Ma'am, magma.
Ma'am, magma.
Magma.
And your time is up. I heard magma, which is incorrect. I heard, sorry. It's correct.
Magma is correct, ma'am.
Magma is correct. First, they were saying crust. So crust
Yes,
was wrong,
yes.
but
Crust
finally
was
they came up
incorrect,
to magma, which is correct. Very good, children. Well done. You all are just doing it great. Great job, children. So now, next question for Cygnus House. Can we have the question, ma'am? Who was the Cygnus House all set? Okay. Who was the first Indian woman to travel to space? And your options are A. Mohini Chawla, B. Kalpana Chawla, C. Sally Ride, or D. Reena Williams. And your time starts now.
Kalpana Chawla. Ma'am, B. Kalpana Chawla.
All are sure about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I lock it?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
correct. Super. Very good. Well done, children. Kalpana Chawla is the correct answer. Next question for Delphinus House. Which astronaut stayed in space for 195 days? And your options are A. Kavita Chawla, B. Lou Yang, C. Sunita Williams, or D. Marie Cleave. And your time starts now.
C. Sunita Williams. C. Sunita Williams.
My God, I think there's no need for timer, it
Williams.
seems. Shall I lock for this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Well done, Delphinus House. It's correct. Sunita Williams is the correct answer. Super. Very good. Going great, my dear children. Okay, can we have the question for Pegasus now, ma'am? Okay, so question for Pegasus is, which was the first animal sent into space? Options are A. Laika, B. Lulu, C. Eris, or D. Tuffy.
Ma'am, A Laika.
Ma'am, A. Laika. Ma'am, A.
Time
Laika.
starts now.
Ma'am, A. Laika. Ma'am, A. Laika. A. Laika, ma'am.
Are
Ma'am,
you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll still
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
100%
Think.
sure, ma'am. A. Laika. Ma'am, A. Laika.
Ma'am, the team doesn't need I guess.
I know they don't need any timer.
Yeah.
And you all are absolutely correct, Pegasus. Well done. The answer is correct. Laika is the correct answer. Superb. Great going. Next question for Phoenix House. Who was the second man to walk on moon? And your options are A. Neil Armstrong, B. Rakesh Sharma, C. Edwin Aldrin, or D. Alan Bean.
Edwin Aldrin.
Edwin Aldrin.
Edwin Aldrin.
Timer has started, children. Come on, think.
Ma'am, Edwin Aldrin.
Come on, final answer.
Edwin Aldrin.
Shall I lock
Edwin
it?
Aldrin. Ma'am, C. C, ma'am. Edwin Aldrin.
Edwin Aldrin.
Oh, children, I have logged Edwin Aldrin, but the answer is
It is
correct. Superb. So this is the
Well
correct
done,
answer.
well done.
Good, children. Well done. Superb. All are doing it very nicely. I'm so happy. Okay, let's move to the next question for Cygnus House. Okay, how many wisdom teeth are present in each jaw? And your options are A2, B1. Let me read out the options, children. A2, B1, C4, or D3. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, 4. 4.
I repeat the question. How many wisdom teeth are present in each jaw?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, it's A2. Ma'am, A2. 2.
Shall I lock?
Yes, ma'am.
Final
No.
answer is 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Well done, Cygnus House. It's correct. Superb. Great, great. Next question for Delphinus. How many milk teeth are present in a set? And your options are A. 32, B. 28, C. 24, and D. 20. And your time starts now.
D20. D20. D20.
Still time is there. Think properly, Delphinus.
D20. D24. 24. D20.
I want one final answer. 10 seconds to go.
20. 20.
Shall I lock 20?
24. Yes, ma'am. 20.
I heard 20 and the answer is absolutely correct. Okay, so yes, 20 is the correct answer, Delphinus. Great. Next, move to our next question for Pegasus. Okay, how many premolars are present in each jaw? Options are A1, B2, C3, or D4. And your time starts now.
4. Ma'am, D4. Ma'am, D4. Ma'am, 4.
Still time is there, think
D4.
children.
Ma'am, D4. Ma'am, D4. Ma'am,
Shall I log
D4.
this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, ma'am. D4. Ma'am, D4.
Okay, I'm looking 4, but the answer is correct. Great, superb. Very well done, children. You all are doing a great job.
And Mukti ma'am is such a good actress. डरा देती है बार-बार.
No, ma'am, I'm sure they're going to say right answer about teeth. They learned this chapter nicely, so I'm sure they know very well about
that's
what
what
their
even
teeth.
if we try to scare them, they are confident. Yes, that is correct answer. Yes.
Yes,
Well done, team. Well done, everyone. Well done.
Okay, so the question for Phoenix House is how many molars are present in a full set of adult teeth? And your options are A12, B14, C16, or D8. And the time starts now.
12, ma'am. 12. A12.
Ma'am, 12. 12, ma'am.
A12.
Are you all sure? Shall I lock it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
ma'am.
I'm
Oh
12.
my god. Okay, I've locked 12. And your answer is correct.
Well done. Well done.
Well done, teams. You're doing
Superb.
very
Well done, children.
Superb.
You all
Well
are
played.
bravo.
Very
Superb.
well played. Seriously. So happy to see this.
Yes. And I thought at least when I'll confuse them, but they are
No,
so
they're not getting
sure
affected
about
at
their
all.
answers.
They're not
My
getting
God.
affected at all. Very
You all
well
are
done.
making us
Good.
proud, children. All the EVS teachers are proud of you all.
Yes.
really proud.
Yes.
Right? Okay, children. So let me have the scores, please. Now I'll like to ask Neha, ma'am.
There is one more
Okay,
question.
yeah. We have Cygnus. One more round.
There's one more round left.
Yeah,
now.
I'm so sorry.
One more set. Yeah.
Okay, so we have one more set of questions for all the 4 houses. Let's continue. Cygnus house. Which fiber is known as the golden fiber? And your options are A, silk, B, cotton, C, jute, and D, nylon. And your time starts now. Shall I lock it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your answer is correct. C, jute is the correct answer. You have learned this in your chapter of grade 4 EVS, right? Fields to kitchen. Okay, moving to next team, that is Delphinus. Question for Delphinus, ma'am. Which is the most consumed beverage in India? Options are A, tea, B, coffee, C, orange juice, or D, milk. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, tea.
Coffee.
Saying properly, children.
Ma'am, it's tea.
Tea.
Ma'am, it's tea.
I want one answer.
Tea.
Ma'am, tea.
Tea.
Ma'am, tea.
Okay, so I will lock A key as Himaya and Viraj were saying tea, and it is the correct answer. Yes, it's the most consumed beverage in India. That is tea. Absolutely correct, children. Well done. Question.
Well, yeah, Puneet is asking something. What happened, Puneet?
Milk is the second most consumed beverage.
Puneet, sometimes in the villages, you see, children don't have access to milk and such things. Okay, so tea is the most consumed.
No, he's saying second. Second most consumed beverage is coffee,
Yes,
Puneet.
coffee, yes.
Okay.
And Puneet, sit properly. We don't want to see your legs. Okay, sit properly.
Sit straight, Puneet.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Good.
All right. Question for Pegasus House now. What is the staple food in northern India? And your options are A, rice, B, millet, C, wheat, or D, oats. And your time starts now.
Wheat.
Come on, children.
Wheat.
Ma'am,
Wheat.
seaweed.
Ma'am,
How many time is there? Think properly, children.
Ma'am, seaweed.
Ma'am, seaweed.
Okay, I'm locking seaweed and
Yes, ma'am.
it is a correct answer. Super. Great going, bravo. Okay, so this is the correct answer, Pegasus. Well done. Question for Phoenix House now. What is the staple food in southern India? Your options are A. Rice, B. Millet, C. Wheat, and D. Oats. And your time starts now.
Rice. Ma'am, rice.
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 Ma'am, rice. A rice.
Rice.
Are you sure
A
about
rice.
it? Still time
Yes,
is there.
ma'am.
Think.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Lock it.
rice.
Ma'am,
Can
rice.
you think again?
Ma'am, A rice.
Rice.
And rice is the correct answer. No matter how much I confuse you, you are very sure about your answers. My rock stars, great. So
Amazing. Very
this is
good.
the end of journal round. All right. So now over to Neha ma'am for scores.
Thank you, Mukti ma'am. Children, I don't think, and even teachers, you must not be having any doubt about the scores because I don't think a scorer is required here. It's so crystal clear. They are having a neck to neck competition and a healthy one. So, Cygnus is leading with 40, Delphinus is leading with 40, Pegasus as well as 40, and Phoenix also 40 points. Very well done, kids. Very
Excellent
healthy
performance by
competition.
all the 4 teams. Well done, children.
Very good, very good. Good going.
All of you are marching together. Let us see who marches faster
Okay,
now.
okay. All the best for the next
Thank you,
round.
ma'am.
Over to
Okay.
you, Mukti ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Neha ma'am, for the scores. Now the second round is audio round. Okay, all of you, please relax, sit properly. Okay, let me read the instructions for y'all. An audio will be played for each team, and a question will be asked on the same. Okay, that is, we will first play the audio. Listen to the audio properly. Don't be distracted. Okay, hear the audio properly. Based on the same audio, I'll be asking you one question. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for the wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is again only 30 seconds.
Yes.
Okay, so remember that 30 seconds. Try to answer within that time only, but hear the audio carefully. All right, children. So all set for second round, audio round. Show me thumbs up, children. I cannot see that. Okay, great. So Achal ma'am, may we have the first audio for Cygnus House?
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I
All right, children. So, hope you heard the audio carefully. And the question for you is, which gemstone was mentioned in the song? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, diamond. Ma'am, diamond. Diamond. Diamond,
Okay,
ma'am.
children, still 19 seconds to go. Think, think, think. Are you all sure about diamond?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
Rajesh
ma'am.
showing a thumbs up. Bhavisha, Chinmay, all at the same answer. And your answer is correct. Superb, children. Great going. Yes, diamond is the correct answer. Well done, Team Cygnus. Now, may we have the audio for Delphinus House, ma'am? Delphinus, ready?
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
All right. So, question for Delphinus based on the same audio is, which water body is mentioned in this song? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, stream. Stream.
I cannot hear you, children.
Stream.
What?
Stream.
Stream.
Yes.
Stream.
Stream.
Are you all sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Superb, Delphinus. It is the correct answer. Very good. Well done, Delphinus. It is stream. Okay, moving to the audio for Pegasus.
आचल मैम, आई थिंक आपको ऑडियो नहीं बजाना चाहिए. श्लोक राय बहुत अच्छा डांस भी कर रहे हैं और गा भी रहे हैं साथ में, तो उनको ही मौका देना चाहिए, है ना श्लोक? मैं देख रही हूँ आप पूरा गाना भी गा रहे हो, डांस भी कर रहे हो.
Oh, nice.
Enjoying totally. Very
They
good.
all are all-rounders, you know.
Yes,
Great
yes.
dancers,
They did very
musicians,
well.
singers,
ये हमारे
runners.
हॉर्लिक्स बॉर्निटा वाले बच्चे हैं ना बेटा?
ये सारे हमारे बच्चे हैं.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. That's
Okay, can we have the audio for Pegasus, ma'am?
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandpa shark.
Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt. Run away, plastic. Safe for plastic. Safe for plastic. Safe for
So the question based on the audio you heard just now for Pegasus is, the life cycle in this song is similar to which life cycle? The life cycle in this song is similar to which life cycle? Pegasus and your, yes. Come on, Pegasus. Come on, Pegasus.
Human life cycle.
Ma'am, human life cycle.
Ma'am, human life cycle.
Ma'am, human life
My God, no matter how much I think
Ma'am,
the question
human.
will be difficult, this time you
Ma'am,
won't be able to
human
answer.
life
But
cycle.
there you all are.
Ma'am,
Correct.
human life.
Correct. Superb. Well done, my children.
Well done.
I thought you won't be able to answer this. Seriously, I thought this is a difficult one. Now they won't be able to answer. But
Very good.
you all always prove me wrong.
I was so very busy with the song, we never thought about the life cycle.
Me too, ma'am. Me
That's
too.
what the question was actually.
yeah,
31.
yeah.
सेम ईयर मैम, मैं भी गाना एंजॉय करने लगी, पता ही नहीं चला क्या पूछेंगे इसने.
But my brilliant students, there they are.
Absolutely.
With the answer. Well done,
Good.
children.
Keep it up. Very good.
Now, may we have the audio for Phoenix House, ma'am?
McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a boink boink here and a boink boink there, here a boink, there a boink, everywhere a boink boink. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So may we have the question? Which product is obtained from the second animal mentioned in the song? And your time starts now. Come on, Phoenix House.
Sheep. Ma'am, sheep. Wool.
Which product is obtained from the second animal mentioned in the song?
Wool.
Think again, children.
Wool. Ma'am, wool.
Wool.
Wool. Ma'am, wool.
Ma'am, wool.
Wool.
Oh God, children, I'm so sorry. Wool is the correct answer. Well done, children.
Very well done.
Ma'am is so sorry that wool is the correct answer. Just imagine, she's so sorry.
I was just trying to scare them, but they are so confident.
Nobody's scared. See, you can see the smiles on their faces.
I know, excellent performance in this audio round by each of the team. And again, over to you, Neha ma'am. Actually, as you said, there's no need of scorer.
That's what I feel the moment the competition started. But anyways, it's really making me very happy. Again, moving on to the scores after the second round. Cygnus on 50 points. Delphinus again 50 points. Pegasus 50 points. and Phoenix also 50 points. Please clap for yourself.
Amazing student. Awesome
Well
work.
done.
Very good. Well done, children.
And all the best again for the next round. Over to you, Mukti ma'am.
Thank you so much. Now, next we have is the rebus round. Okay. Now, first, let me explain you what do you mean by this rebus round. Okay. Please pay attention, children. Now, in rebus round, we have a puzzle. Okay. Now, in this puzzle, you will be seeing words that are represented by combinations of pictures or symbols or letters. Okay. You'll be seeing the combination of few pictures or letters, or maybe any hint you'll be getting from that. Based on that, from the present represented, the images that are represented in front of you, based on that, you have to identify the image, what it stands for. Okay. So let me read out the instructions for the same round, that is rebus round. A visual will be shown for each team and a question will be asked on the same. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is only 30 seconds. And very important thing, children, please keep this in mind. When you see the combination of images, you can think in two languages, that is English as well as Hindi. Okay. So you have to think in both the languages looking at the symbol. Okay. And we will be asking you which city it stands for. Okay. All ready, children? All the teams are ready? All the 4 teams? Show me a thumbs up. Again, I'm repeating, you can think in both the languages, English as well as Hindi. So let's see the first question, first hint for Cygnus House. And your image for rebus round is this. And your time starts now. Which city is this? Come on, Cygnus. You may think in both the languages. Which city this symbol stands for?
Ma'am, Haridwar. Ma'am, Haridwar. Ma'am, Haridwar. Ma'am, Haridwar.
What, Shlok? It's correct.
Well done. Well done.
Haridwar is the correct answer. Great going. Very good, Cygnus House. Superb. Now, let me have the image for Delphinus House. Which city is this Delphinus House? And your time starts now.
Ramnagar. Jamnagar. 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 Jamnagar.
I don't think we need a timer, Achal.
Jamnagar.
Correct. Absolutely correct. It's Jamnagar. I thought you won't be able to crack this one.
Yeah, even I thought it would be a little tough for them, but they're doing
But
really well
my
done.
dear students are so smart. Well done, Team Delphinus. Next question for Team Pegasus. Which city is this? Now this is something difficult.
Ma'am, Satara. Ma'am, Saputara.
Come on, children.
Ma'am, Satara.
Okay, and last Shrenav Mishra mentioned it. And the answer is correct, Shrenav. It is Satara. Okay, Sanvi was telling Saputara, but Shrenav saved the team from losing marks. Very good, Shrenav. Okay, next question for Phoenix. Which city is this? Time starts now. Come on, Phoenix. Come on, 5-4.
Sonagar. Sonagar.
Oh, I'm so sorry, children. You were not able to answer. Fine, not a problem. The correct answer is, any guesses from other teams?
Ma'am, Nasik. Yes, ma'am.
Correct, Chinmay and Kimaya. Naisa as well. It's Nasik. Okay. Okay. Never mind, Phoenix. We'll buck up. Okay. I'm sure you'll do that. Very well done, children. So let me ask Neha ma'am about the scores. Neha ma'am, can we have the scores, please?
Yes,
After
of
this
course.
rebus round.
Of course, Mukti ma'am. Thank you so much. So after the rebus round, the scores are as follows. Cygnus is having 60 points, Delphinus 60 points, Pegasus 60 points, and Phoenix 50 points. So it's okay. Let's see in the coming up round. Phoenix,
I know they are going to rock and they will buck
Make
up.
it up,
Phoenix
I
is
know.
going to buck up. Yes, definitely.
make
I'm
it
sure
up.
about it.
all the best.
So now this is the fourth round. That is the rapid fire round, which you need to play rapidly. Okay, very fast. Let me read out the instructions for you for the rapid fire round, children. Each team will be asked 10 questions in a span of 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Each team will nominate a member to answer on behalf of the team. Understand, children? 1 minute for each team. Okay? The moment we say start, Shwetal ma'am, please keep a note of the timer. Shwetal ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
ready.
So the moment we say start, you need to start the timer, the stopwatch. Okay.
Yeah.
1 minute for each team. And children, if you do not know the answer, again, I'm repeating, if you don't know the answer, not sure about the answer, don't waste your time. Here, I will not wait for you. Okay. Just say pass and I'll move to the next question then. All right. And you need to nominate one member from each team. So quickly tell me which member you want from each team. Each team needs to tell me the name of that particular one member. Only that child will answer, others will not. Come on, Cygnus, Pegasus, Delphinus, and Phoenix House. Let me know the names.
I'm from Pegasus. I'm going.
From Pegasus, who's there? Shrinav.
Ma'am, Shenab, ma'am.
Okay.
What about
From
Cygnus?
Be quick. Tell about
Cygnus.
Ma'am, should I come in Pegasus round?
Cygnus House.
Chinmay,
Okay, from Cygnus, Chinmay will say the answer.
Should we start?
And Delphinus House, ma'am, 1 minute. Delphinus House.
Ma'am, if anyone doesn't know, so other members can help.
You have to tell that particular child that this is the answer. You can unmute, yes, you can say, but do not just give chorus answers. Okay.
Create a chaos. Yes.
So Delphinus, Kimaya, you will say the answers, or is there someone else who's nominated? Please nominate one member quickly, children.
Kimaya.
Delphinus, come on, children, you all are so confident.
Kimaya.
Kimaya, fine. I'll mention
Okay,
Kimaya
ma'am.
here. And Phoenix House.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Naisha.
Pegasus, should I come?
Pegasus, I think I already got one name. That is Srinav. Okay, you can tell your if he is not able to answer, you can definitely unmute and say the answer.
Yes,
Phoenix
ma'am.
House, come on. Phoenix House, are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell me, give me one name. Anushri? Okay, fine.
Anushri.
So final names for Cygnus, it's Chinmay, Delphinus, Kimaya, Pegasus, Srinav, and Phoenix, Anushri. If these children are not able to answer, but please make sure that children, you are answering quickly. This is rapid fire round, okay? So let me have the questions for Cygnus House first. Achal ma'am?
Ma'am, shall I start?
Your time starts now. What is the other name for Greater Himalaya? Come on.
Mount Everest.
That's incorrect. Where does Ganga originate?
Himalaya,
Where does Ganga originate? That's incorrect one. Next question. What is the western region of Southern Plateau called? Western region of Southern Plateau called? Quick.
Western
Chinmay.
Ghats.
That's incorrect one. What is the capital of Kerala? Come on, Chinmay.
Ma'am,
If you do not know the answer, say pass.
Thiruvananthapuram. Ma'am,
Aryan?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Next question. What is the base of a flower called? Come on, children.
Ma'am, ovary.
Ma'am, time is up.
Okay, time is up, children. So, Cygnus House, your time is up. Well played. Now, let me have the questions for Delphinus House. Delphinus House, are you all ready? Shwetal ma'am, ready with the timer?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
ready.
let's start. What is the other name for Lesser Himalaya? Delphinus House. Come on, children. If you do not know the answer, say pass. Kimaya, come on.
Himachal.
No, it's incorrect.
Near Himalaya.
Sangpo is also known as dash. Come on, children. Come on, Kimaya.
Tibet.
The members.
Tibet.
No.
Tibet Ottoman.
No, it originates from Tibet. It's
Be
incorrect.
quick, be quick.
Next question. What is the region to the north of Narmada known as? Come on. If you do not know the answer, say pass. Kimaya.
Central Islands.
Very good. Correct one. Next question. What is the
Time is up.
capital of
Time
Tripura?
is up.
Uh-oh, time is up,
Time is
children.
up. You have to be really very quick.
Yes.
Tripura
This
means
is
But
rapid
these
fire
get quick
round. As I
answers,
told you,
yes.
you need to be quick.
Yes, it's a rapid fire.
Okay. Now, let me have the questions for Pegasus. Team Pegasus ready? Shwetal ma'am ready? With the
Yes,
timer?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. First question. What is the other name for Middle Himalaya?
Himachal Range.
Very
Himachal
good.
Range.
Correct. Next. What is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati called?
Triveni Sangam.
Super. Very good, Shenab. Next question. What is the eastern region of Southern Plateau known as? Eastern region of Southern Plateau. Come on.
Deccan Plateau.
Incorrect. What is the capital of Sikkim?
Gangtok.
Superb. Correct one. What is the outermost part of a flower called? Outermost part.
Petals.
Wrong. Next. Which is the largest animal on earth?
Elephant. Elephant.
Wrong. Which organ system controls our senses?
Ma'am, time is up.
Uh-oh. But well done, Team Pegasus. Good going. Very good. Now, Shwetal ma'am, ready for the next team?
Yes, ma'am.
Phoenix team, are you all ready? Show me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Which?
Wait.
Yeah. What is the other name for northeastern Shivalik? Phoenix team.
Outer Himalayas.
1 minute. Shwetal ma'am, hold on. Shwetal ma'am, hold on.
Yes.
1 minute.
Should we give them the next question, ma'am?
No. Wait. There's some problem with my listening screen. Give me 1 second.
We'll start again. Don't worry, Phoenix. Wait.
You'll get time and the questions also. Relax.
Yes. We'll start with the starting time only.
But before till Mukti ma'am comes back, I must say, Srinav, very well done. Very good. Pegasus has given answers. I'm really very impressed. And that too with the presence of one. What do you say, teachers? It was really very good. Very good. Now, same expected from Phoenix House also. All the best. Let's see.
Thank you, ma'am.
Achal ma'am, is this the first question?
Yes, ma'am. This is the first question. I think we can start from the second one because they've seen this question and the timer is on.
Okay,
Yeah?
okay. Yeah.
Now
So
I'm
we can
starting
start with the timer.
timer was on pause, right?
Now we'll start
I
here.
have
The
reset
question
it.
asks,
I have reset it.
Okay, start.
Hmm.
Which dam is built across Satluj River? Come on, Anushri. You've learned this.
Pass.
Okay, pass. Next question, please. What is the region to the south of Narmada called as? South of Narmada. Remember the map I taught you. Which region? Down.
Ma'am, Deccan Plateau.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of Rajasthan? We learned capital and state as well.
Jaipur.
Correct. Next question. What is the tube in the middle of a leaf called?
Midrib.
Superb. Correct, Phoenix. Which is the largest continent on Earth?
Asia.
Superb, Arya. Which nutrient is
Ma'am,
important
time
for
is
muscle
up.
growth?
time is up.
Oh, time is up, but really well done, Phoenix House. Great. Excellent performance by each one of y'all. Now we'll wait for Neha ma'am to tell us the final scores, and I'm really excited as well as nervous.
Yeah, even
Hello.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Mukti ma'am. So, a little more effort needs to be given after I announce the scores because there's a tie. There's a tie in between the two teams. But let me tell you, Cygnus is having 70 points all total. Delphinus is leading, having 70 points again. Pegasus 90 and Phoenix again 90. So there's a tie between Pegasus and Phoenix. So we need one tiebreaker question.
Okay, so Pegasus and Phoenix, now buck up.
Yes.
This is a tiebreaker question. So you need to
So-
be very active and alert. First person, whoever first team is answering, will be the
winner.
okay.
So
my
Srinav
God.
and Anushri. I hope these two are the nominees. Srinav
Yes,
and Anushri.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck. Okay. Pay
Good
attention.
luck, team. Pegasus and Phoenix.
Phoenix.
And the tiebreaker question for you is tiebreaker. Let me read the instructions for you. The same question will be asked to each team. Okay. The question will be common for both the team. For every question, 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answer to the team which answers first. So as I told you, the
Excuse me, ma'am.
answer. Yes, Arya.
Can we help our other team member?
No, now only Anushri or Shrinav. This is tiebreaker. Only two nominees we want. Okay. Each team will nominate a member to answer on behalf of the team. So as I told you, only one member will answer here for tiebreaker.
Ma'am,
Okay.
if we know the answers and if we want to say to our teammates, so can we say?
See, if the other team is answering the correct answer quickly, then I will give to that particular team. So this is all about your timing.
He's asking,
Clear?
Mukti ma'am, Ahan is asking, he's from Phoenix only. So if he knows the answer and Anushri is not knowing, what should we
Correct,
do?
not a problem, not a problem.
So you can speak
But
up.
we want Anushri or Shrinav, if they do not know the answer, quickly other person can answer. If it is right, we'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So can we have the tiebreaker question, Achal ma'am? My God, I'm
Yes, ma'am.
nervous. Okay, the question is, how many vowels are present in the term or process of conversion of a liquid into gas? And your options are A3, B4, C5, D6. Come on. Team. Phoenix and Pegasus, are you there in the meet?
Come on, quick.
One answer I want quickly, come on.
Ma'am, 6, 5.
We got the answer from Arya, and Arya is from which team?
Phoenix.
Phoenix. So Phoenix is
Ma'am,
the
5. Ma'am, 5.
winner.
Great.
Wow, very good.
Went to Phoenix House. Well done to each one of you. Congratulations, Phoenix House, for
Very
doing
well played.
getting the highest scores, okay, winning the quiz. But for me, all of you, that is each one of you is the winner. You all have done a great job, okay, and I
Big round
believe,
of
I
applause.
think all the teachers, we believe that participation is important. If there are no participants, how come a competition will come, right? There won't be any
Yes.
competition if there are no participants. So children, all of you, you all have done a great job. You enjoyed the quiz or not? Just show me a thumbs up. Did you all enjoy the quiz?
Even we also.
Yes, even
Yes,
we
ma'am.
also enjoyed.
Yes.
By playing all
Yes.
the quizzes.
So don't be disheartened, those who did not get the final scores, the other three teams, because I know you all have done a great job. You all are winners for us. Yes. So with that, we come to the end of our EVS virtual quiz, and I would like to thank our Director of Academics, Academic In Charge, Primary Coordinator, Head of Curriculum Development and Training, teachers, dear parents, and my dear rock stars. Thank you so much. We all enjoyed with you all. Yes, ma'am? Yes, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. एक जोरदार
Yes,
तालियां
ma'am.
अपने बच्चों के लिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clap for yourself,
Yes, ma'am.
children. Come
Clap
on.
for
Give a
yourself,
clap for
children. You all
yourself.
have done excellent.
Kudos. Very well done. Sportingly, you all answered all the questions, attempted very fast, and that's the best thing.
Yes, definitely,
Very good.
definitely.
Very good.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. Thank you, Mukti ma'am.
Well done, children. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
children, now I think you all can leave the meet. Well done, all the teams.